Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Jewelry Pirate. This is Barbara. I'm back with part 2 of the Bling pirate chest opening. I hope you enjoyed part 1. I have some equally nice pieces here in part 2, and I'm going to share them with you. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to go at a nice pace because I want to pack them nice and everything. I want to take care of these. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. And hit that notification bell once you're subscribed, in case you want to be notified when I upload a new video. Alright, so let's start. And I'm going to have to use Buster quite a bit. And I hope he doesn't get worn out tonight. Okay, our first item is a very pretty, delicate little statement necklace that's all encrusted with rhinestones. It looks really good. I hope you can see it. I will give you a close-up. There's no extender on this. This is just classic elegance. This is just very, very pretty. It's not overstated. And you could actually probably wear this with a pair of jeans and a nice jacket, and that would dress that outfit up really nicely. Okay, let me give you a real quick close-up. And it's got a lobster claw clasp. Let's see if we can get this in here so you can see how pretty this is. Okay, so our first item is this miniature statement necklace. And this item here is $6. Can't beat that. Okay. Moving on. Our next item is really pretty also. And this is an elephant, which is totally encrusted in rhinestones on his ears and on the bottoms of his legs, in his trunk. He's got a patchwork kind of on his body, but the majority of him is all rhinestones. He's really pretty. Here's the back. His trunk is up. He's on a beautiful, beautiful snake chain, and with a lobster claw clasp. And one more time. He's a little long to be on Buster, but I don't know if you can see that. You see how pretty he is. Okay. He's gorgeous. And you can see that nice snake chain. And he's also $6. Let me put a little ticket on him. Okay. Our next item. This is a big glam piece. This is in gold tone. This is absolutely gorgeous. Okay. These are all cups. And every one of these cups has an absolutely gorgeous rhinestone in it. Lots of shimmer and a lot of shine. A lot of bling. This is a very, very pretty and comfortable necklace. It has a little weight to it. It's not where it's going to be, you know, bothering your neck or anything. Let me give you a close-up look. It's got a nice long extender with a bead. It's brand new. The back is all chain. Alright, that's the back. And all those chains have a cup in them. Alright. And I'll give you a close-up now of the main part of the necklace, so you can see how beautiful this is. Lots of articulation. This is a nice piece of jewelry, and the price on this is $12. Okay, let me just put him away. Our next item is by Marielle. Marielle. Okay, they are rose gold tone cubic zirconia earrings. Here they are. These are very, very pretty. I'm going to try to get these in here for you. They're real cubic zirconias. They're very beautiful. They're posts. They're brand new on the card. And these earrings here are $5. I'm trying to bring out nice pieces for you guys. I don't want, most of this stuff has been in my personal hoard. So you're getting a treat. I'm truly opening up my treasure chest for you guys. Okay. Alright. Next item we have is a little gold bracelet. And it's got a curb link chain. And this has a cross. This is actually a nice chain. It's got a nice lobster claw clasp, got an extender on it with a bead, curb link. It's very pretty. Here's your cross. Okay, you can see all the rhinestones are in there. Alright. And this beautiful little necklace, bracelet with all those stones, $3. Okay, the next piece that we have is going to be another sort of a statement necklace. This is in an antique brass. It's got big honkin' rhinestones in it. They're absolutely magnificent. I gotta take it off the card. These I have to put back in the card when we're done. This here necklace is by Bijou. This is beautiful. Okay. I don't know if you can see that all the way over there. It has rhinestones going all the way up the neck. So the only place that you're not going to have rhinestones is going to be where it goes around your neck, so it'll be nice and comfortable. It has one of these like buoy lobster claw clasps, and here's your hang tag for the Bijou. Alright, this is another beautiful, beautiful necklace. This has got some weight. Let me turn this around so you can see the antique brass. I'll bring it up close. This is gorgeous. Really gorgeous. Okay, and let me show you the clasp up close. I'm hoping to get through all of this, but I can't go over a certain time. And there's the tag, and there's that clasp. Price on this necklace is a whopping $10. Okay, next item we have a bracelet. And this bracelet is very old. It is very beautiful. I'm looking at it now. I don't see a stone missing out of it. You will have to respect this bracelet if you get it. Let me show you the stones. It is absolutely gorgeous. It has a fold-over clasp. I would say that this is probably, I don't know, 50s, maybe early 60s. Okay, it's just very, very pretty. And it's in great condition, and it's got a lot of fire in it. The price on this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous bracelet is $8. And if you buy it, you gotta respect it. Okay? Alright, we have a pair of earrings next. They're hoops. Big hoops. And they're here. They're pierced. I'm going to show them to you. We have another pair similar to this. These are all rhinestones all the way around. These are very lovely. Here's my word. Okay. Great condition. I don't see anything missing on this. They're nice and smooth. They're not rough. Okay. And the price on these will be $3. Our next item is an absolutely gorgeous pair of earrings. If you want a lot of bling, you're going to love these. These are on a shepherd hook. They have a bead in the middle of these that it's like a yellowish, I guess. And there might be one rhinestone missing right about here. I'll have to check it out. But they're being sold as is. I mean, I will look and see if I have a stone. Okay, but these are very, very nice. They're carded. And these are also $3. Okay. Next thing we have is another bracelet. And this bracelet is another one that's old. And it is gorgeous. And this is also a fold-over clasp. And this also has, let me see here. It has a chain on it. Okay, it's gorgeous. I'm going to show you the back. And then I'll show you the front. This is the back. It's nice and smooth. Okay, it has a chain so you don't lose it. Even the fold-over clasp is encrusted with rhinestones. And peek at this. The age of this is, it's old. So, I mean, there might be a stone here or there missing. But it's just too pretty to pass up and not wear. And it is old. And the price of this beautiful bracelet is $8. Okay. Next we have a set. And this is a set of a necklace and a pair of earrings. It's really pretty. I'm going to put the necklace on Buster. It has a big honkin' pearl on it. It's really gorgeous. Alright. And you can see that. Now, what these earrings are, they're the same as the top of the pendant. Here's the earrings. These are really beautiful. Now the color of this is a gray, but it has an undertone of blue. These are really gorgeous earrings. They're posts. And let me grab the necklace. It has a long extender on it. Let me show you this. This is beautiful. And the price for the whole set is $7. Okay, put that away. Get a ticket on it. Okay, I'm going to bring out a really pretty piece. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is totally encrusted with rhinestones. It's absolutely beautiful. It has a huge, huge long extender on it. This I would think you'd want to wear right on where you're, just right below where your collarbone is. So I would adjust it to that. Nice clean lobster claw. There is no rhinestones missing out of this. It's totally gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to bring it up close so you can see all the fire in it. It comes to a little tiny point right down in the front. I don't see any dead stones at all in this. And the price of this necklace is $15. Okay, I've got to be very gentle with this. This is one you treat with care, ladies. Okay, we put that over here so it's out of the way. Now we have a little bracelet with a fold-over clasp. And I'm going to take it apart here so you can see it. This is very pretty. This is what the bracelet looks like. And this is in excellent shape. It's silver tone. And like I said, it has a fold-over clasp. Okay. And price on this little bracelet is $4. We're getting down there. We are at 20 minutes just about. Okay, I have a couple of little pieces here I'm going to show you. And hopefully you'll like these. This is a really pretty necklace. It's got a very fine curved chain on it. This has got rhinestones on it also. They're all there as far as I can see. Okay, and this really pretty necklace, silver tone, is $2. All right. Now this here, I have it separated. This is a beautiful, if this doesn't sell, I'm going to take it and I'm probably going to keep it because this is a Swarovski heart, which probably sells alone. Okay, just that little piece of glass right there, probably for $5, and it's on a gorgeous, gorgeous rope chain. All right, so I'm letting this go with the chain and the beautiful pendant for $3. Our next piece we have a pair of earrings. There's two of these. There's a small pair, and then there's a larger pair. These are all rhinestone encrusted cross earrings on shepherd hooks. These are $2. Then we have a pair that's a little bit larger than those. And they're going to be $3. So I'm going to show you them in a second. And they're right here. These are very pretty also. These are a little bit bigger. Again, they're very beautiful. And remember, these are all going. I try to turn around and tell you if there's something wrong. But if there's this little stone missing on them, you know, that I overlooked, you can let me know, and I can always see if I can send you something. But they're pretty much going as is. All right, so these ones are $3. You guys know my jewelry's beautiful, and I tell you the truth about it, so to the best of my ability. Okay, I'm going to show you something now that is absolutely beautiful, and I wanted to get this in this particular show. This is a hard piece for me to let go. It's basically, I would say, almost like a couture piece. It is one of the most beautifulest necklaces I have ever seen, and it has 4 of these stations. In fact, they're a little bit different. There's 2 like this and 2 like the ones at the top. Lobster claw clasp with an extender. There's a pearl hanging off of the ones on the side, none up here. And then these are, it starts out where they're, straight, and then there's a little bit of give, a little bit more give, until they give all, so the way that it lays. This is beautiful. And if anybody is interested in this, I would like $30 for it. I honestly think it's worth every penny of that, if not more. It has weight. It is beautiful. It's got tons of rhinestones, and it is in super shape. There's a tiny touch of wear on this pearl, but not very much. It is absolutely a magnificent, gorgeous necklace. So you won't break my heart if you don't buy it, because it is absolutely gorgeous. And I'm trying to get you a close-up so you can see. That's the hanging there. And then you've got the ones here. There you go. Okay, I'm going to put that to the side. We only got a couple more pieces, so I'm hoping we're going to be able to do this. Alright, our next piece is a totally rhinestone encrusted heart. Silver tone. This is beautiful. Very long chain. And there's one person that purchases from me. If she wants this, she's going to get first refusal on it. And this is the back. And I think you know who you are. And she's been looking for something like this for a while. And this necklace here with the long chain and this beautiful heart, I think it's fair, is $8. Okay, that's that piece. We're almost there. Almost there. All right. Next piece is by Chico's. Still has the tag on it. I can't believe this thing sold for $49 originally. And it's one of these ones with the bar going across it. And it's got a nice long extender, big lobster claw. It's got the Chico's tag on it. And it's very pretty. I'm not worried about the brand name. I'd like to see this stuff go to a good home. So this necklace here is $8. Hope everybody's having a great evening. Okay, this is the other pair of the earrings. And these are smaller stones. They're beautiful. This would be great if you have more than one hole in your ears, and you could get both of these pairs of hoops. Okay, and again, these are $2. And whoever claims either one, okay, first, will have the right to to buy the second pair if they want both of them. All right. I'm just trying to be fair. All right, we're just about there. We're going to end up going over, and I'm going to be cursing the whole time I'm trying to upload this video. Okay. Next we have another nice necklace. This has a fold-over clasp, and it has 3 gorgeous boxes down here. Okay, very nice smooth chain, fold-over clasp. It's all silver tone. This is beautiful. Here's these pieces here. There we go. And you can see how nice they are. They're like boxes. And this looks like a really quality piece of jewelry when you wear it. Stones are set nice And this gorgeous necklace is $8. I gotta find the bag for this. I don't know what I just did with it. Alright, I'm gonna set that right there. Here we have another nice necklace. And I'm gonna put this on the last thing of the so it'll hang right on the. This is nice because it has a whole bunch of different holes in the extender. Big holes that you can put it in. Alright. This has got little cups with rhinestones in it going on the necklace. Alright. And then it has these beautiful pearls. It has 3 here with the rhinestones around the pearls inside. Okay. There's your extender. And I don't know if you can see what I'm talking about, but all down here is all, it's well made. Little loops so you wouldn't have no trouble trying to sneak that lobster claw in into, you know, some small chain. This is very pretty. This is also $8. Okay. Our next pair is we got a really nice set of earrings. I got 2 pairs of earrings coming up. And they're both beautiful. And this is these. These are all rhinestones. A lot of articulation in these. And they've got Aurora Borealis in these. Can you see all that bling? Bling, bling. Alright, they're on a hook. They're carded. They're articulated from here down. Okay, they're articulated there. This is one solid piece, and then they're articulated on the bottom. These absolutely gorgeous earrings are $5. Okay, our last pair of earrings, one of the last items that we have, is these. These are pretty. Okay. These are gold tone, and they have a square at the top with all those rhinestones in it. These are very nice chains, so they will, you know, definitely catch the light. And there you go. And these are $3. And we have 2 small items left. And that will be it. We have a snake chain with a little pendant. This is pretty. There you go. It's got a nice snake chain on it. Has an extender, lobster claw clasp, $2. And then we have this one here, which is just a plain, little delicate, very, very, very little delicate. And I like this. It has a beaded chain, which is very pretty. It's got a lobster claw with a bead on the extender. And this is just a very delicate, dainty little rhinestone flower necklace. And this one is $2. Well, everybody, that's it. I don't see anything else here. And I want to thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed this pirate chest opening with the bling. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Get your friends over here. We're just about to 50. And hit that notification bell. I'm working hard for you guys. So, anyway, have a great night. And I hope you had a wonderful weekend. And there's no video on Monday, but there'll be a nice video on Tuesday. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.